Back in this video, we will see how to run multiple instance on BlueStacks. So guys, if you want to run multiple instance on the BlueStacks, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, you open your BlueStack player. After that guys, here you see the option of clone instance. So you simply click here. So you make the clone. Here you can give your memory details to your clone and simply click on the option of create clone. Now guys, here you see that we have two BlueStack instance. Now you simply go for the option of select and start. Okay, when you click on the start, so guys, your both of your instance is running. So guys, this is my first one. So guys, now it shows the error because I have a less memory. But in your case, if you have the sufficient and space, so you can easily run all of the multi instance. Okay, so this is the way that you can do, and you can use the as a multiple screen, and guys, you also play the multiple games on the multiple instance. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.